you, Gamsa Hapnida, for allowing me to speak to you today about the new era in human-scale automation. My name is Dr. Jean-Pierre Hatou. I'm the president of Universal Robots, the global leader in industrial collaborative robotics. Our company is part of the Teradyne Robotics, which also owns Mobile Industrial Robots, a robotics company making autonomous mobile robots. A couple of words of introduction of Universal Robots. Our company was established 20 years ago and has gone on to sell over 100,000 collaborative robots, or how we call them, cobots. These are robots that are designed to work flexibly and safely alongside people. We have about 30% of the global cobot market. Our business model is one of collaboration. We work with over 1,200 partners globally. Our sister company, MIR, or Mobile Industrial Robots, makes autonomous mobile robots and pallet jacks, giving our company as a whole the ability to cover end-to-end automation and logistics. Let me start today by talking about the beginnings of human-scale automation and why we do what we do at Universal Robots. 20 years ago, automation in manufacturing meant large, caged, heavy industrial robots, complex, expensive machines that required specialist programmers and couldn't work safely alongside people. These systems were built for scale, not flexibility, and they were out of reach for most businesses. Our company, Universal Robots, was created to change that. Our founders, 20 years ago, saw an opportunity to rethink automation entirely. They envisioned a robot that was lightweight, easy to use, and safe to be around. A robot that could be moved from task to task, programmed by anyone, and deployed in any production environment. That vision led to the creation of the world's first commercially viable collaborative robot, or cobot. It was a breakthrough. Automation that worked with people and not around them. Today, we're still driven by the same mission, to make human-centric, flexible, easy-to-use automation. The mission is more important now than ever before, and I'll explain to you why. First, we're facing a global labor crisis. Populations are aging, birth rates are falling, and skilled workers are harder to find. Korea, for example, is a clear example of that, of this trend, with one of the fastest declining workforces in the world. Automation isn't just a productivity tool, it's a necessity to keep industries running. Second, resilience and competitiveness are now strategic imperatives for all industry. Manufacturers need to respond faster, adapt quicker, and operate with greater flexibility. Automation is the key to building that kind of operational strength. And third, global demand is shifting. There is market volatility, reshoring, and customization are reshaping supply chains. Businesses need automation that can scale and pivot with them. The world has changed, and manufacturing must follow and change with it. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the technology with the greatest potential to reshape robotics, and it's already happening. We call this combination of AI and robotics, we call it physical AI, and it is already transforming how automation works. AI is enabling robots to adapt to dynamic environments, respond to real-time data, and perform tasks that were previously too complex and varying to automate. This means we're no longer designing factories around robots. Robots are learning to work with the existing environments. AI will also lower the cost of automation. By removing the need for expensive infrastructure changes, AI makes automation more accessible to more businesses. And it's opening the door to new applications, from bin picking and 3D scanning to intricate assembly and real-time quality control. Most importantly, physical AI creates systems that improve continuously. Robots can now learn from data, optimize performance, and evolve over time. This isn't just a technical shift. It is a transformation in how we think about work. So we started 20 years ago by creating a new type of robot that was designed to be easy to use and to work flexibly and safely alongside people. Now, new possibilities are opening up because of physical AI. And the world needs advanced automation more than ever to manage challenging business environments. So how are we responding to that? The latest products for today's industry, we have them. Let's start with the robots. We understand industry, and over time, we have built a range of collaborative robot arms of different sizes and with different payloads, from 3 kilos to 30 kilos, to suit most of the needs of different industries and applications, from welding and palletizing to machine tending and electronics. These are built for quality, performance, and reliability, designed to keep operations moving. We can look at our latest cobot, the UR15, as an example, and it is in our next slide. This is our latest product at UR. It is a lightweight design. It has a very compact footprint. It is very flexible, even in the most restricted and demanding environments. It's designed for lifting. It has an adequate payload for a lot of applications. It has the right reach, and it is the fastest cobot in the market. It is as fast as a traditional robot with the safety of a cobot. So you're bringing two worlds together, and we are the pioneers who are offering this. It is designed for material handling, palletizing, and machine tending. Our sister company, Mir, is also following suit. It makes, as I said, autonomous mobile robots, AMRs, and pallet jacks for logistics. We have a mobile cobot which combines the AMR with the cobot, so combining both technologies. That means that we're able to cover a wide range of industry needs with advanced automation. These robots are only one part of the story. More importantly, we are a technology platform that is able to and amenable for people to add applications to it. And these people are our partners in our ecosystem. Our success is a product of our ecosystem in reality. This is something that really sets our company apart. We have over 1,200 partners, distributors, integrators, OEM. We call them UR Plus partners. Our ecosystem not only helps us bring our cobots to the market in over 60 countries worldwide, it also creates new applications. And it creates ease of use as one. Ease of use equals understanding the customers, their industry, and adapting to their application and serving it. Number two, it delivers choice for customers. No matter what your automation problem is, we have the solution to solve it. Across industries, applications, experts in our ecosystem are developing applications for our customers, and our ecosystem keeps growing. Coverage, it delivers coverage. We believe in the power of many. We don't believe one company should do everything by themselves. Those days are long gone. By being an open platform, we can harness the expertise of our partners to bring new products and innovations, real innovations, to market faster and across industries. Finally, it provides us with market feedback, and this in turn helps us improve our product to the benefit of partners and customers. We've been able to work with top partners by focusing on building a real platform of best-in-class technology, quality, and continuous innovation. Now those partners are using our platform to create AI-enabled applications. Our newest software platform, Polyscope X, provides the platform for development of physical AI, enabling technology. We already have partners offering AI-based applications. This, in turn, allows our robots to perform more complex and diverse functions, including handling variation and adapting to changing environments. With time, these capabilities will lead to unprecedented flexibility, quality, and reliability in manufacturing. Our sister company, Mir, also follows suit. They have integrated AI into its most recent products, the PalletJack, for example, which can navigate unpredictable, changing warehouse conditions with very good precision and safety. I want to touch upon the AI accelerator now. Given the potential of physical AI, we have made it a priority to make it easy for our partners to create AI-based applications. That's why last year we launched the so-called AI accelerator to make AI applications straightforward for partners. This is a toolkit. The AI accelerator is a toolkit that gives developers a camera, NVIDIA platform technology, and our Polyscope X software. Further AI developments will come in 2025 from UR and from our many, many partners building AI-based solution for our platform. So what does this mean for the future of industry? Looking at the bigger picture, we're witnessing some essential shifts and how businesses are operating and will operate. Future industry will become collaborative, characterized by human-centric, human in the middle of the image, workplaces where people work alongside safe robots. We are also looking at a future that is connected. Robots will be remotely monitored and feature predictive quality and maintenance. This is the technology that will allow companies to really optimize their productivity in ways never seen before. Automation will be scalable. Companies will move at their own pace, sometimes automating robot by robot, sometimes through a complete overhaul of their operations. But the cobots themselves will be modular, versatile, allowing companies to respond to changing demands, especially to demands of a manufacturing plant that has low volume and very high diversity in the products. This is exactly where cobots can help and collaborative robots can help. Finally, the factory of the future will be sound. Technology will be used to drive efficiency, productivity, and sustainability. Here is Korea. And Korea is very fast automating, faster and further than any other country. Korea has made an exceptional progress in this journey. Korea is the fourth largest industrial robot market, accounting for 6% of global robot installation and 4% of global cobot sales. Korea is also number one market globally for robot density. 1,012 robots per 10,000 employees, more than 6 times the global average. Unbelievable, really amazing. But the automation need is still huge. There will be almost 13 million fewer Koreans of working age in 2050. It's really great to see how the awareness of cobots is continuously growing here in Korea. And the cobot market will continue to grow each year, with key drivers being aging population, labor shortage, mainly. Increasing labor wages is also a reason for businesses to automate, of course. So, where are we in Korea? We are strongly committed to our customers, partners, and business here in Korea. UR sold its first cobot in Korea in 2011, and we're well established here, as you can see from these facts on the slide. We will continue to prioritize Korea as an important market. We opened a local office in 2016. We have 7 local distributors, and we have 14 local training centers alone in Korea. There is a strong momentum here in Korea, momentum in semiconductor, electronics, and heavy industrial welding, including in shipping, logistics opportunities with heavy payload cobots, and welding and palletizing. And we will continue to support new segments and solutions and grow in these. So let me end by what I expect from UR going in the future. I would like, or my dream as a company, we would like to have automation for anyone, anywhere, easy and implementable. High quality cobots and cutting edge software, we will always be 3-4 steps ahead of anyone else. I'm confident of that. We will enable everyone to make the advanced simple, and largest and best ecosystem, that's what always represented you are, for solving real world automation problems. And again, Gamsaha Pnida, thank you very much for having me, and I hope I could convince you that you are in great hands with UR, with Mir and Teradyne Robotics. Thank you.